Hello everyone, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and yes, I'm at it again. I'm at my last 7-day 5-minute cleaning challenge. Right now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to clean this dresser. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff, hasn't been cleaned, I need to clean it. So, here we go. Okay guys, I'm sorry, didn't know the camera had cut off, but here is the finished product. I have dusted and wiped down and put everything back in its place on the dresser. I have thrown away some things. Yes, my husband likes all his colognes right here on the dresser. I try to keep his mail and stuff over there so he can go through it. Okay, the dresser has been wiped down. It's all shiny and looking all pretty. And then clean the mirror. All of it's finished, guys. So if you like my content, guys, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share my videos, guys. And also follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed down below on the screen and also down in the description. And guys, subscribe to my channel. You know that, see that button down below. Click that button to become a member of the Creatively Miss Me family. We would love to have you. And also next to it is a bell. Click on that bell, guys. That bell will notify you every time I upload a video. And as always, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.